So guys, for the first method, you want to unplug and then plug back in your printer. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Next, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on P on your keyboard. You want to find print spooler. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the print spooler service. See if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find printer. Click on run. And now once you're on this, you want to click on yes to run the printer diagnostics. You want to follow everything it says there, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.